Welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll walk you through how to delete photos from iPhone that cannot be deleted. Take note, some photos cannot be deleted directly because they are synced from iCloud, synced from a computer, or part of the system like screenshots and shared albums. Now, here's how to delete undeletable photos in iPhone. First, check if the photos are synced. Go to Settings, Your Name, then iCloud, and tap Photos. If Sync this iPhone or iCloud Photos is on, the photos may be coming from Sync. Turn off iCloud Photos. Go to Settings again, Apps, find Photos, and tap on it. Toggle iCloud Photos off. Choose Remove from iPhone, not Download if prompted. Restart your iPhone. Hold the power button plus volume. Slide to power off, then turn it back on. Delete the photos again. Open Photos app. Select a photo. Tap Delete. Empty the recently deleted album by going to Photos, Collections, under Utilities, find and tap Recently Deleted. Tap Select All, then Delete Permanently. Check Shared Albums. Go to Photos, Collections, under Utilities, tap Shared Albums or Recently Shared. Photos and shared albums cannot be deleted from Library. Remove them from the shared album instead by tapping Select, tap the photo, and tap the Delete button. Disable screen time restrictions. Go to Settings again, Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions, turn it off temporarily. Sign out of iCloud, temporary. Go to Settings again, Your Name, scroll down, and tap Sign Out. Restart phone, delete photos, and sign back in. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Bugs sometimes prevent deletion. Reset photos permission. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Photos. Tap Photos app, then choose an app. Set to full access, then try deleting again. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.